I gave two exercises at the end of last stream. One was the Absolutist method, which was to pick a divine ideal, so joy, freedom, love, happiness, prosperity, whatever, and feel into that. Be meditative for about 15 minutes. Feel into that. Feel really strongly into that. And then if you wanted, you could sort of attach it to different areas of your life. So let's say you wanted to feel the sense of freedom, like so immensely that is only what you feel and think is just freedom, and you could just say freedom, freedom, and feel into it. And then you might take that feeling and assign it to my money, how much money I know I have, my sense of how I feel in relationships. I feel so much freedom to express myself in my relationships. Or my career, how much support I feel from my coworkers and colleagues. I feel so much freedom to be creative. If you wanted, you could also just spend the time in that, really feeling into that one thing, and then see how it impacts your reality over the next few days. The other exercise was to identify one less than ideal thought and its replacement. I'll give today's exercise at the end of the stream, but those were the two. If you wanted to do those, you could do those anytime. And I mean, the Absolutist method, I've had a lot of success with it. I really want to start doing it more, because you can use that to consciously create like a default dominant state that your whole reality is coming from, and is sort of projecting out of that one thing. Like you can pick bliss, you can pick calm, you can pick peace, and see that theme reverberate and present itself in every aspect of your life.